Ripples have always fascinated me. I tried this setup to understand more about ripples in general and waves in particular. Water bottles act as a stand so that we can cast a shadow of ripples on the paper below. This plain glass is used from the photo frame. Foam sheet is glued near the borders of the glass. This is our water bed. Water droplets are used to create disturbance with the help of plastic dropper, syringe and plastic beads. It is challenging to create two separate disturbances at the same time. I tried couple of mechanisms. When water drop hits the bed, disturbance moves outward. For the ripples, wavelength is not same along the disturbance. Wave hits the wall and reflects back. These interactions can be clearly seen with the help of shadows. Different patterns can be seen based on the location where disturbance is created. Rate of drops can be adjusted with the help of a dropper or syringe. Results are better with sunlight instead of using artificial light. Morning sunlight is good as it casts the shadow outside the water bed. Interaction of two waves can be seen when two plastic beads are dropped at the same time. Placing sand near the flat boundaries reduces the intensity of reflected waves. We can measure the speed of disturbance with the help of a ruler. All slow motions are captured by a camera which has a frame rate of 240, that is 240 frames per second. I calculated the number of frames required to cover the distance of 14 cm for this wave. For this purpose, I use the editor software. Speed of disturbance using this method is 42 cm per second approximately. Waves are all about energy transfer. Particles of the medium remain in place. I floated this small foam piece on water. With waves, it moves in place up and down, but does not move along with the wave. I could capture another type of wave when I did this activity on the rooftop. Ripple waves caused by the wind. Ripples are also known as capillary waves. They are more complex than the waves we study in our textbook. I thought of these points during the activity. Maybe you can help me with some of these. I will definitely try to work on these in coming days. Thank you.